What's up, guys? I found both offers on the Amex Platinum and the Amex Gold, and I'm just going to share how I got them. So if you want to get the 90K offer on the Gold and the 150K offer on the Platinum, let's get right into that. All right, so you probably know the Gold maximum offer today, as the recording of this video, is 90,000 membership rewards points. However, I got the one with 90,000 membership rewards points and the $200 statement credit, which is pretty nice. I don't know if that's coming back, but if you get the offer today, it's going to be just the 90K offer. This is like $1,800 of travel at 2 cents per point, which you can easily get with the transfer partners. All right, so the rules for this are very standard. You can only have 5 American Express cards. You can only get 1 in 5 days and 2 in 90 days. That's pretty simple, right? Let's go. And of course, you can only get 1 bonus per lifetime, but there's a new rule, and I got to tell you right now because it matters a lot. There's a once per lifetime bonus rule, and now there's a family rule. So if you get the Gold card bonus and the Amex Platinum bonus, you can't get the Gold if you already got the Platinum. Same goes with the Green. You can't get the Green if you already got the Gold. And if you already got the Platinum, you also can't get the Green and the Gold. It's bad, okay? You got to go start small and get the medium one and then get the next one. I can't get the Green. Good thing it's not that good of a card anyway. All right, so the way I found the 90K offer was I went directly to my computer over there and I pasted the American Express referral link from someone that you have, anyone, friends, family, anyone that you know that has an American Express Gold card. You can copy their link and paste it into an incognito tab. If you don't have a friend, you can use mine if you want in the description. It supports this channel directly. Thank you. So copy that link, put it into an incognito tab, which you could do Command-Shift-N or Control-Shift-N in a Safari browser, Chrome, Brave, Opera, Firefox. Try all of them, actually. Yeah, that's what I found the best luck with. I found mine in Safari by chance, and it was kind of weird because I actually found mine in a specific location as well. I'm going to get more into that in a sec. All right, so what did I do? Well, I applied in May 2023 with a 760 credit score. I was at 224, and I applied in Chicago, Illinois. It mattered, okay? I'll tell you why. Also, I had a decent salary, not too crazy, not too little. I don't know. So I got the 90K plus $200 statement credit with $4,000 spent in 6 months. That's so nice as compared to the one now, which is a 90K offer, no $200 statement credit, and you got to spend $6,000 in 6 months. So that's an extra $2,000. It's pretty doable for most, but I just wanted to mention that. So when I tried, I did use a referral link and it worked for me. I saw the 90K offer, but if your referral link's not working, you can try the regular offer. Just try the regular link, copy it from American Express and paste it directly into an incognito tab, and you should find something there. If that doesn't work, there's stuff like card pointers, which I've never used, and I think it can get 75K, maybe 90K, but I can't speak on that. I've never used it. And there's also mailers, guys. You might get mailed a 90K offer. That's pretty cool. Never happened to me. I don't get a lot of mail, but you might. So that's something to say. And what I meant when I was talking about location earlier was it mattered when I applied for the Platinum card, okay? Because I originally said I applied in Chicago, right? So I applied in Chicago with the Gold card. Yes. Now, when I went to go ahead and apply for the Platinum, I was just searching all the time. I was on trips. I was visiting family. I was in upstate New York. I was in Vermont. I was in Eastern Washington. I was doing a lot of things. And they were in weird, rural, remote locations. And I noticed that every single time I were to go ahead and paste that link in, just copy and paste it in, I never got anything greater than 80. I maybe got the earn up to 150K offer, which is just junk. And I found out that American Express is targeting people that live within areas that a lot of other American Express users are, which is cities. A lot of people are living in cities because there's Uber, there's Grubhub, there's Shake Shack. Those credits that are being used on all these big cards are in the cities, and they want to target people in the city, okay? And I've realized that location matters, and you can't VPN either. I tried using a VPN to try to go some other location, and I noticed that it just gave me the 80K offer every time. I think that's probably because it's detecting the IP address from the VPN server, and it can't pick up on like any sort of information about the customer that they can somehow figure out through the internet. It's very complicated. Okay, so that was a little wild, but what about the Platinum card? Because Platinum's still important, and let's figure out how to get the 150K offer. Okay, it's pretty much the same. Copy that referral link. Copy the regular link if the referral is not working. Put it into an incognito tab in Safari, Chrome, Brave, Opera, whatever you want to try, and see what shows up. It might take a couple times. You might have to do, open a new tab, paste, delete the other one. Open a new tab, paste, delete the other one. Just open a bunch of tabs. Boom, 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 boom. You might see it, okay? It might show up. It might take 10 tabs. It's done that for me before, and I used to just casually find this offer for fun because I had nothing else to do. And eventually, I went ahead and applied. After I already got the 90K gold, I already got the 90K gold offer. And like 6 months later, I went ahead and I was like, you know what? I think it's time. I'm ready. My 524 status was at 424. I was done with Chase. My credit score was at 757. I had the same job. And now I moved to New York. So I was no longer in Chicago. I was in New York City. I was like, you know what? The Platinum fits me. Okay. I think they're going to want me as a customer. And I went ahead and I tried to find the 150K offer. And it showed up right away. Literally the first one. And here's the thing, we're not done yet. It gets a little more complicated. Okay, so when doing this, I would highly avoid the up to and earn more language. Okay, this doesn't really mean that you're gonna get the 150K offer. It's a little weird. I don't know. It's a new thing with Amex as the recording of this video. Completely avoid that, as well as anything that's not 150K, like 125K, 100K, or 80K. I mean, why would you try to get 80K? It doesn't make sense. Okay, so you're going to find the 150K offer probably with no issue. The problem is getting past Amex pop-up jail. So this is a little interesting, and I want to make some recommendations to you guys. I avoided Amex pop-up jail, and I think it was because I used the gold card a lot. So when I got the gold card in May of 2023, I used that card for a lot of stuff. I used it for dining. I used it for groceries. I used it for a few things outside of those categories. And I think American Express wants you to spend on their cards. They profit with interchange fees. American Express has the highest interchange fees on all the network, all the whole cards. The American Express makes their money through interchange fees. They want to see you using the card. And I think they're going to give the high offers to the people who use the cards and establish that relationship early. If you've never had an American Express card like I did when I had the gold in May, that was my first card. I think you can start fresh, but you need to use the card. They want to see you use the card. Use the card, bro. Use it, and then go for the Platinum. I wouldn't try to mess around and play some games with them. They know what you're doing. And I think you could get lucky. I think I got lucky too. So what this means is put spend on the card and then try to go ahead. And if you get pop-up jailed, maybe you can wait a few months, grind some more spend on the gold card, then go back to the Platinum 150K offer and try again. I think they want to see you spend, and that might help your chances of getting out of pop-up jail. And if you guys don't even know what I'm talking about, pop-up jail basically blocks you from the high offer and just says, hey, we're only going to give you the 80K offer or some other bullshit offer that you don't want to get anyway, so don't go ahead and apply. But it's that window that shows up right when you go ahead and click apply on the 150K offer. So yeah, that's what happens. There is also an alternate offer for you guys who like to spend a lot on dining. If you guys spend $5,000 in 6 months, I don't know, maybe like, what is that, 800 something every single month on dining? It's kind of a lot. You actually might make more. You will make more if you spend more than $5,000 with the Resi offer. Yeah, the Resi offer is 100K membership rewards points for spending $8,000 in 6 months. That's the same spend as the other offer, the regular high offer and the regular the non-targeted offer. $8,000 in 6 months, 100,000 membership rewards points with the Resi offer, but you get 10x back on dining. So that's 10x back on dining for 6 months. You can get 10x back up to $25,000 of spending, and you only need to spend $5,000 in that 6 months in dining. $5,000 in 6 months on the dining category. You'll get 10x back. That'll generate you 50,000 membership rewards points, plus the 100,000 membership rewards points from the Resi offer, right? The first part of the offer. That equals 150,000 membership rewards points. That's your break even. You can earn even more, like 180, 200, 250,000 membership rewards points if you spend a lot of money on dining. I don't spend that much. A lot of people don't spend that much. But if you spend a lot on dining, get the Resi offer. It's way better. I think that's all I got to say, guys. It's a lot, okay? Basically, get the gold first, get the Platinum second, space it out, use the gold as much as you can, get the 90K offer on the gold, get the 150K offer on the Platinum. It's doable. They love you as a customer, and I love you as a viewer. So hit subscribe. I'm going to go for now, but you're going to want to see my next video in 2 to 3 days after this one's done. Hope you guys all have a good day. Take it easy. Bye.